Smart lockers simplify manual processes, making organizations more efficient while offering improved user experiences. From employee storage and secure mail collection to the management of mobile devices, we design and install smart locker solutions to keep your workplace safe and productive. If you're looking for flexible personal storage for shift workers and automated handheld device management, our warehouse smart lockers are the perfect solution. Our retail smart lockers improve the customer experience and increase store footfall by automating click and collect. And our postal and parcel delivery lockers provide convenience and flexibility for both vendors and customers by offering localized delivery and collection locations. For smart locker success, you need a partner who can offer expert advice and ensure your smart locker solution is integral to your digital transformation strategy. A partner who has close relationships with leading manufacturers, so you benefit from the best solutions available. With 80 years of experience in field services, Ricoh has an unmatched service organization with a global engineering workforce of 15,600 experts. We are Ricoh, your partner for smart locker success.